Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix ISDone.dll and unarc.dll dynamic lang library. So you can encounter this error when you try to install games with a large size. So because of this error mostly related to the installation of PC games as well as program of large size, a large game or program have compressed data which is unpacked in your hard drive during installation. This eats up your PC ROM as well as hard drive. If your PC ROMs or hard disk doesn't have sufficient memory to handle the process, your PC may through this error. So the first method, this is first solution for you. You can increase Windows page file or virtual memory. So you can press Windows key and R key. Here you can try to use ISDone.dll. Click OK. Then you can click Advanced, click Settings. Again, you can click Advanced and click Virtual Memory Change. You can untick the box, automatically manage paging file box. Here you can click on Custom Size. So you can fill this blank based on your RAM of your PC or your laptop. For example, for most games 2.5 gigabyte is enough. So the values which will work in most cases is 403,000. Note that values are in megabytes, so this is set the maximum paging file size to the tune of 3 gigabyte. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. So click the button below. See you in the next video.